Hello to all. In this video, we explore artificial intelligence tools for building 3D models. First, we introduce the top tools and describe how they work. Then we show step-by-step how to use each tool to create 3D models. Finally, we discuss the pros and cons of using AI tools to build 3D models. First part, introduction of artificial intelligence tools for making 3D models. Here are some of the top AI tools for building 3D models. Autodesk Dreamcatcher, NVIDIA Gegen, Pixford Mapper, Masterpiece Studio, Ziva Dynamics. Each of these tools has its own features and uses. Second part, how to use artificial intelligence tools to make 3D models. Here's how to use each of the tools listed in the first section to create 3D models. Autodesk Dreamcatcher uses a generative design algorithm to provide thousands of different designs as output. It helps designers to explore different options and find the ideal solution for their projects. NVIDIA Gegen uses artificial intelligence to convert 2D images into 3D images. It can be used to create quick previews of 3D models or to create 3D images from existing photos. Pixford Mapper uses the images received from the drone to create 3D models and 3D maps. It can be used to create 3D models of real environments or to create 3D maps of hard-to-reach areas. Masterpiece Studio uses artificial intelligence to create 3D models from images and videos. It can be used to create 3D models of faces, animals, or objects. Ziva Dynamics uses artificial intelligence to create 3D animations of characters. It can be used to create 3D animations for movies, games, or commercials. The third part, advantages and disadvantages of using artificial intelligence tools to make 3D models. Using artificial intelligence tools to create 3D models has many advantages, including greater speed and efficiency. AI tools can make the process of building 3D models significantly faster and more efficient. Greater accessibility. Artificial intelligence tools can make it easier for people without a lot of technical skills to create 3D models. More creativity. AI tools can help designers discover new and creative ideas. However, the use of artificial intelligence tools also has disadvantages, including price. Some AI tools can be expensive. Need for training. Using some artificial intelligence tools may require training. Lack of flexibility. AI tools may be less flexible than traditional tools. Result: artificial intelligence tools can be a powerful tool for creating 3D models. They can make the process of making 3D models faster, more efficient, and more accessible. However, it is important to consider the disadvantages of using AI tools. Recommendations: if you are interested in using AI tools to build 3D models, I recommend starting by researching different tools and testing them with small projects. Also, you can enroll in online or face-to-face training courses on using artificial intelligence tools.